In this video, we listed the 5 best drones for under $100 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. S2S Drone. This lightweight and compact camera drone, weighing just 200 g, is a great choice for capturing aerial photography with its built-in 1080p HD camera. It offers a maximum video resolution of 1920 by 1080, ensuring clear and vivid footage. With a flight time of up to 20 minutes and an easy-to-use app controller for connectivity, it's designed for convenient and enjoyable flying experiences. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, it's perfect for hobbyists looking for a simple, no-frills drone. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't include GPS functionality or an aerosol spraying system. Its wind resistance is limited to speeds below 10 km per hour, so calm weather conditions are ideal for use. Made in mainland China, this drone is a budget-friendly option for those who want to explore aerial photography without breaking the bank. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro 8K Drone. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max 4K drone is a sophisticated camera drone designed for aerial photography and video recording, featuring a maximum takeoff weight of 4 to 5 kilograms and a flight time of approximately 15 minutes. It is equipped with a robust 4K HD camera that supports electronic image stabilization and offers resolutions of 2560 by 1440 for video and 4096 by 2016 for photos. The drone operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and includes a complete omnidirectional sensing system with 3-sided obstacle avoidance capabilities. Weighing only 165 g, it has a compact design that can be folded for easy transport. The drone's remote control allows for various functions such as one-key takeoff and landing, 360 degrees rolls, and headless mode, while the accompanying app supports multiple languages and features advanced functions like face recognition and trajectory flight. The Z908 Pro Max also boasts a removable battery, a stable brushless motor for high-speed operation, and a Wi-Fi connection for image transmission, making it a versatile choice for both recreational and professional users. Number 3. Xiaomi SG901 Drone. The SG901 Max is a lightweight and user-friendly drone designed for outdoor aerial photography, featuring an 8K UHD camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for stable image capture. Weighing just 196 g, it circumvents many regulatory requirements for UAVs, making it accessible for beginners aged 14 and up. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 3800 mAh lithium battery, providing a flight time of approximately 20 minutes with a charging time of around 4 hours. It incorporates advanced features such as GPS and optical flow positioning for stable flight, a brushless motor for enhanced performance, and a customizable flight route via a mobile app. The remote control operates at a distance of up to 150 meters and includes 4 channels, while the drone's design allows for easy portability, folding down to a compact size. The package comes complete with essential accessories, including a remote controller, spare propellers, and a USB charging cable, ensuring that users have everything they need to get started. Number 4. Lenovo LU200 Pro Drone. The Lenovo LU200 Pro Drone is a high-performance camera drone designed for aerial photography enthusiasts and professionals, featuring an impressive 8K HD video recording capability and a triple camera system. Weighing just 300 grams and capable of withstanding wind speeds of less than 10 km per hour, it boasts a maximum flight time of approximately 40 minutes and a transmission range of up to 10 km. The drone is equipped with advanced stabilization technologies, including optical and electronic image stabilization, and offers a 150 degrees adjustable camera angle for versatile shooting options. Its omnidirectional sensing system ensures safe navigation, while the 50x optical zoom enhances detail capture. The drone supports multiple languages in its app, making it user-friendly for a global audience. Additionally, it features a removable battery for convenience, and the remote control operates on a 5 GHz frequency with 6 channels. With its compact and foldable design, the LU200 Pro is ideal for both casual users aged 7 and above and serious aerial photographers looking for a portable solution. Number 5. Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max Drone is a high-performance camera drone designed for aerial photography and videography, featuring an impressive 8K video recording capability, 7680 by 4320 pixels, and a dual-camera setup for versatile shooting options. Weighing 400 g and capable of carrying a maximum takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms, it operates efficiently with a brushless motor and has a flight time of approximately 28 minutes. The drone is equipped with GPS, a 2.4 GHz operating frequency, and offers a remote control distance of about 10,000 meters. Its user-friendly features include one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and 360 degrees roll capabilities, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The drone's body is compact, folding down to a size of 13 by 9 by 5 centimeters for easy transport, and it includes various connectivity options such as an app controller and Wi-Fi connection. However, buyers should be aware of shipping restrictions regarding battery transport in Brazil. The package includes the drone, remote control, battery, USB charging cable, spare blades, and a manual, making it a comprehensive choice for aerial enthusiasts.